Hello, I am Karim Khalid Nouman, and this is Plaxis 2D 3D course, Chapter 4. Diaphragm Wall with struts and anchors. We will solve two examples by manual way and one example on Plaxis. My first example: if the diaphragm wall with anchors. So the example say table is showing you the forces and moments acting on diaphragm wall. The forces E active 1, E active 2, E active 3, E passive 1, E passive 2, and the summation, friction it equal 0.0. You can get the Z equal 4.814 meter, EA1 equal 90.7 kilonewton. Sum at O, this point of diaphragm wall with struts, and calculate the section area of them. Check of stability of excavation. If gamma cross H per C more than 4. In case of stiff clay, wall equal RW, it's equal 0.88 ton per meter. The moment acting on wall equal 0.792 ton. I will model it by using Plaxis. On top we will remain it 25. Spacing of grid, I'll remain it 1 meter. Okay, and press OK. We can calculate the depth of my soil profile. I said that sand 1, the thickness of layer equal 4, and sand 2, the thickness of layer equal 10. Clay 1, the thickness of layer equal 3, and clay 2 equal 5. It's 22 meter. 22 meter in depth, and the width you can make it anything that you want. I choose my point minus 50 in X and 20 in Y. And they're positive 50 and 20. And there and there. Then I'll separate my layers. My first layer equal 4. Then you follow me on this dimension. I'm here standing on this point 50 in X and 20 in Y. Then the depth of excavation equal minus 8. From there, this. When it is get the same color, that's mean this space or this area had defined it. We'll choose mesh and choose global coarse. We will choose very coarse, okay, and click generate mesh. We click update. So we will choose initial condition and press OK. My groundwater at -5, so it is at here 1.5. We click on generate water pressure and press OK, then update. We light this lamp and click on generate initial stresses and press OK, then update. OK. Now when I press calculate, I'll save this model on my laptop. He asked me, do you want to save changes? I said yes. And press we can make a new folder and no. And find through the reduction, the software, I mean Plaxis, see what is the ability of parameter of soil. Okay, if I click on factor of safety and press output, you will, oh, what is this? This is the factor of safety. This is not real. Okay, we get out from there, and the previous of my last stage, that's excavate to -8 and click output. Okay, and we will choose true scale. You know, displacement scaled up to 100 times, so it's nothing. Okay, how we can get our output? We model on Plaxis. Okay, the model is very safe. How I can get my output to design? Value for bending moment, I needed to get my reinforcement.